Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a look at NoodleTools and how to set up an account. So if you're watching this, I'm assuming that you've never used NoodleTools before, you don't have an account set up, and you're starting from scratch. So you can see here that I've gone to the home page, NoodleTools.com, and I'm going to try to register a new account today. So by registering, that will take you to this screen. We are registering an account that's linked to a school or library subscription. Now there is a school and library username and a school and library password. You'll have to get this information from either Mr. Hammond in the library, or you can talk to any one of the teachers that you are working with this program with, and they should be able to give you that information. For right now though, I'm going to assume that you've been given the information, entered it into the fields, and have clicked continue. And we'll go to the next screen. So now that you've entered in the school's username and the school password, you'll be taken to the new user registration page. This is where you enter in your personal information. So first of all, you're going to enter your expected year of graduation. There'll be a drop-down menu here. Just find the year that you are planning to graduate and select that year. For your personal ID, use the same personal ID that you use for the computers at school. So typically that would be first name dot last name. You do not need to put at rcsd.ca here. It's sufficient to just put your name. If you're not sure if you have an account or not, you can check availability. Checking availability will tell you if that username is available or not. So for instance, I already have an account in NoodleTools. If I check availability, you'll see that it is already in use by another user. That would be me. I don't need to make an account under this name. If I was to pick a different user, it would show up like this to show that that account is available. My suggestion for the password is that you use the same password that you use for all of your other RCSD accounts. That way it's very simple. You have one password for all RCSD products. So whether it be Office 365 or logging onto a computer or HomeLogic or NoodleTools, the password would be the same. So use the same password here that you would use for any other RCSD application. And the final bits, well, your initials, hopefully you can figure out for yourself. They are your initials. And the phone number, we don't use the phone number for anything. Therefore, I suggest you just use the last 4 digits of the school's office number, 7250. You can really put any 4 numbers in there. It doesn't matter. We never use the phone number. If you do need to retrieve your password for some reason, you would just come and see Mr. Hammond in the library and he could help you out. Once you've done all that, you will click Register. Once you click Register, you'll be taken to the NoodleTools Projects screen. This is a list of all the projects that you currently have underway. If you have just made an account, you will only see this portion up here, and everything down here will be blank. As I already have an account and have several projects on the go, you can see that mine is rather filled in, but you should at least see New Project, Copy, Merge, all of these buttons, and the project's dashboard sources page at the top. If you've gotten this far, you've successfully created an account in NoodleTools and you are ready to begin using the products. So I hope that helps everybody get set up.